Good morning, good people. How you doing? Good morning. Good Friday morning. Welcome to Stock Up with Larry Jones. For those of you that are new to the page, hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell in your lower right-hand corner. We will have a great weekend. There will be 43 million people traveling this weekend. And Monday, all markets will be closed. Just remember that. The sessions, the stock exchange will be closed on Monday for Memorial Day weekend. Who we got this morning? There we go. There we go. Hello. Hey. How you guys doing this morning? Let's get right into some news. But before we do that, remember, the top link below is a Stock Up You. Stock Up You. Learn more, earn more. What you don't know is costing you. Someone said that they are learning how to use the charts with Stock Up You, and that they are already making more money. So they said that they paid for the course in one trade. There you go, good people. And then lastly, listen, get your 20 free stock. Get at least 10 free stock by depositing $100. Make that deposit today. Time is running out. A lot of you guys have downloaded the app, but you haven't made your deposit, so you don't get your free stock. And yes, they may call to see if it's you. Hey, good morning. Good morning. What's up, good people? Hey, man, give me my muscles back. Hey, man, give me my muscles back unwrinkled. Thank you. Hey, so, all right, let's get into some news so we can get you guys off to work. All right. Yeah, yep. Let's go live. Okay. So listen, I'm going to blow through a lot of information right at the top of this, and we're just going to go right into it. Let's see here. Oh, yeah. We got 3 million people flying this holiday weekend. 3 million people will be flying this holiday weekend. And that is the first time since COVID. But now there's 43 million, over 43 million people traveling this Memorial's Day. Good morning, good people. All right, AI is pumping. Nvidia went up 30% the other night. And after the earnings report, Evercore raised its price to Nvidia to $500 from $320. Bank of America raised Nvidia's projected price to $450. That's from $340. Goldman Sachs raised Nvidia's price to $440. That's up from $305. Nvidia's market cap actually grew by $1.84 billion now. At one point overnight, it grew over it's crazy, $200 billion overnight. Yep. Hey, what's going on? Right. So, listen, here's some more big news. Ford struck a deal with Tesla to gain access to 12,000 superchargers. Ford cut a deal with Tesla to gain access to over 12,000 superchargers. Now, you guys know that is another stream of revenue for Tesla. But Ford is also up. And I'm telling you guys, don't sleep on these legacy car companies as it pertains to EVs, especially Ford being such a low cost stock. And so let's look at Ford right quick. There's going to be a lot of money to be made in the EV chase alongside Tesla, all right? Alongside Tesla. Look at Ford, good people. Look at Ford, right? It's $11.38, right? And here we are in the pre-markets. It's up $2. It's up 2.28% in the pre-market on this announcement. But here's what I really do like about Ford. Look at the PE. PE 15.87, all right? And so that's what I like about Ford. Ford is one of my DCA. I've been DCAing in Ford for the last since 2020, I've been DCAing in a Ford. So I'm good with my Ford. All right. Nvidia is a short squeeze. Okay. What's up, good people? Yeah. Well, when you got something that goes up that quick, yeah, it it wasn't just a short squeeze. You gotta really look into their earnings report, right? So that's what you really got to look into. So it's just not one thing, right? So I'm not going to disagree with you, but most short squeezes don't happen, right? It just doesn't. It doesn't happen. There are short squeezes, and there are mother of all short squeezes. As a matter of fact, let's go to AMC, good people. AMC, listen. Here, I took some notes. Let's go here. So we got the movies. I went to see what is that I went to see? I went to see a movie the other day, forgot the movie. Anyway, that Fast and Furious, all right? It was my first one. I know I'm behind. I'm doing this. And I watched it. There was a lot of laughable moments, but they have a following, right? That goes to all of these movies, okay? And there are 20 more big releases this summer. I do believe that the movie industry will come roaring this summer. And there will be a lot of people at the movies over this Memorial Day weekend. So I believe the numbers could do good. There is no 100% on anything. And I'm not telling you guys to go buy AMC or the other two major publicly traded movie companies. I'm not telling you that, but I'm just saying it is worth looking at. All right. With all of the movies that are in line. First thing I would suggest for you to do is to go to a movie, get there early, watch all of the previews of all of the movies, and then you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, so the magic number for the movie industry is 4 billion. If the box office tops 4 billion this year, then we will be back to pre-pandemic numbers. Pre-pandemic numbers. That's a tongue twister. All right. Is Shib dead? Well, that's a good company. A good question rather. We need to I believe Shib will wake up again. So will Doge, but then I'll believe that there'll be another Shib that will multiply way more than Shib. There'll be another Doge that will multiply way more than Doge. This is what happens every cycle with crypto. All right. Nvidia CEO added $6.5 billion to his personal wealth. And right now, Nvidia has gained an extra 184 billion to its market cap. All right. So let's go back to the charging stations. This is one of the things that Elon talked about that he was going to do. Elon is a brilliant man. All right. And I will tell you guys that Tesla is so far ahead of these other companies. Yes. And Tesla will kill it and continue to make more money. Yes. But eventually some of these smaller, lower price EV companies will start to multiply like Tesla did in 2020. Right. So what Tesla's doing now is nothing compared to what it did in 2020. I partake of that. When I could put $500 into Tesla and then in like 60 days, it turns into $2,100 per share. So from $5 to $2,100 from a share. What I'm saying is there will be other companies that will follow suit. And I would say now's the time for you to be in search of those companies, right? And so, yes, have Tesla, but look at other EV plays too. All right. JP Morgan is working on an AI model to offer customer investment advice. Look at that. I'm tongue twisted this morning. JP Morgan is working on an AI model to offer customer service investment advice. All right. So just like I said, one of these days you guys are going to wake up and there's going to be, you're going to go on and there's going to be an AI generated Stock Up with Larry Jones, and it's going to be giving you guys advice, investment advice. All right. Based on computer models. Right. So they play a hating. All right. So Hyundai, LG Energy will build a $4.3 billion EV plant in Savannah, Georgia. There's some jobs coming to Savannah, Georgia. Now, retail is mixed. Costco, Q3 earnings missed expectations as U.S. Same-store sales decline. All right, so retail is kind of a mixed bag right now. And so you got the Walmarts, that type of deal. If you notice, you can buy groceries and you can go to Home Depots will be offering groceries after a while because that is where a lot of stores are. Walmart, grocery stores. And for those of you in the Midwest, Menards, you can go to Menards and go grocery shopping now. And so that's an interesting deal there. Debt ceiling. Okay. They're going on a 4-day recess, right? With this debt ceiling problem. All right. The Dems and the reps are going on a 4-day recess with no deal yet. No deal. 60%. There was a CNN poll that says 60% of Americans agree that the debt ceiling should only be raised after you have found fund savings. Okay. So we need to save money. Period. We need to stop spending money. Period. 60% of you and I believe it's higher than that, believe that that should be the case before they raise the debt ceiling. Now we know that they're going to continue to raise the debt ceiling, but let's save more than we increase. You and I have to pay our credit card bills, and we have to pay our mortgages, and we have to pay that. So should our government. All right. So I'm going to just cut the news right there because I can just keep going. I just wanted you guys to know these things before you go on your day. All right. Let's see here. Chat GTP is really good. Yep. I'm telling you guys, it's coming. I don't know when, but it's coming. I have no doubt in my mind that there will be a robot doing our jobs. They're coming for your jobs too. Would you say Menards is one of our favorite stores? See what I mean? See what I mean? I'm telling you guys, it's coming. You're going to go to Home Depot and you're going to go grocery shopping. That's what's going to happen. Hey, thank you, Greg. Appreciate you, brother. Hey, Mike. Thank you, Mike, with the cool glasses, brother. You have a safe weekend, man. Listen, you guys, there's going to be a lot of accidents this Memorial Day weekend. I pray over you. I pray over your safety. I pray over your vehicles. I pray over your planes, your travel arrangements. I pray that you have a good time, happy, safe time. Pray a hedge of protection around you, your family, your health, your wealth, and all of that. Right? Snow. No, I haven't. I haven't really looked at snow, so I really can't. Good morning, Toronto. How you guys doing? AI has been killing it. Vegas is the bad. Yeah, AI has been killing it, and it's going to continue to kill it. I just believe that there are other AI plays that are better. That's it. There's a lot of AI plays. Just think about AI and how it's implemented in just about everything. Yes, big tech has already been. We know Microsoft. We know Google. We know Apple uses AI. We know Tesla uses AI. I've been to cities where there's driverless cars already they're checking out. OK, and so we know that AI are in these big companies. But what about some of the small companies? Some of the companies that we covered this week on this channel that are one of them that was up 400%. Applied Digital up 400% year to date. So there will be more plays in the AI than just what is, just what you see. And as far as chip manufacturers, I've been saying it over AMD, over Micron, over all these other companies. I've been saying on this page that Nvidia, for me, is the top dog. And Nvidia, as you could see, has been the top dog. It has been operating extremely well. All right, let's see here. Let's look at the pre-markets. We're doing good. Let's see how we end this day. Let me blow that up for you. Let's see how we end today, Friday. And just guys, remember that Monday, the markets will be closed on Monday. Remember that, good people. All right. So, hey, make sure that you check out the link below, learn a lot about the market. Literally, like the other person emailed, and a lot of you have been commenting. You literally, one person said what they learned and they applied, they made in one trade, paid for the class. All right. And then listen, get your deposits in. Yes, they may call you. Don't freak out if they call you. They want to make sure it's you. They're trying to go further with customer service and give you a call. So get those deposits in today. Let's get one more in. Let's get one more question in. Right? Where we at? 17 minutes. Groceries. Because they want too much for groceries. That's the truth. All right. Yep. Yes. Hey, Jay Will, we pray for those same things as well. Yep. That's the way we get down here. Prayers for you as well. Yep. AI for president. Thoughts for AI. Listen, I think AI C3 is going to continue to climb as long as they keep talking about AI. There's a lot of these companies. You got to be careful with AI C3 because it has AI in the name. And a lot of people are just going to buy it just off the name. OK, so don't do that. I think that Nvidia is a good long play. There will be some down days in Nvidia. Don't get it twisted. It's not going to be a straight line up. But I also believe that Nvidia over the long term, for the people that are DCAing, not chasing it right now, just dumping all your money in at a high, because it will cool off. That's a fact. That's not a fact, but I do believe it will cool off. It happens every time after a major run like this. Now, if you're committed to Nvidia over the next 5 years, even the next 3 years, then yeah, just DCA. Don't put all your money in at once. That's what I'm doing. Remember, anything I suggest, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. You got to do your own due diligence. But that's what I've been doing. I've been doing it for the last couple of years, 2 years with Nvidia, and it has worked well for me. So you do what's best for you. Again, good people, 48 million people traveling this weekend for the holiday. The indices will be closed on Monday with the exception of crypto, which trades 24/7. Listen, you guys be safe out there. You know, there's carjackings, there's all of this crap going on, political stuff going on. But the wealthiest thing that you and I have is relationships, right? And one of the most precious assets over money is time. So let's take some time, spend some time with our families. I love you guys. Be safe. I pray over you, your family, your safety, hedge of protection. You guys pray for me. I'll pray for you. We'll stay positive. All right. Live, love, laugh, learn, and earn. Be kind. Rewind. Do it again. We'll see you Tuesday morning in one piece. Peace.